Wow, this sounds interesting. Hey, this sounds very relevant to my Hermitcraft base. All right, we're doing our LPMT tour. This is a server that you can join if you are subscribed here on Twitch. Any type of subscription, Prime, regular, gifted. You can use it to get 33 days of access, and then maybe you find out, hey, I like this community, I want to stay subscribed. You also get access to the Discord server as well. We're checking out WolfWatchman's LPMT radio. I say this is interesting because we just launched Radio X, so like, let's get some inspiration out here. A fellow radio enthusiast, apparently. I'm liking what they're doing with the terrain here. Very shapely, very distinct with the color. Let's get into this mode here, right? That, by the way, is how we teleport from our starter bases to our permanent bases, because it's a big server, lots of people playing, everyone's spread out. Look at me, I'm very nosy. I'm very nosy. So we have this like teleportation system so that you can get from your local neighborhood to your base that's isolated out in the middle of nowhere, if that's how you play. There's also a radio tower on top of the terrain here, which is something I would like to look at, because I'm going to do something similar myself at some point. Oh man, it looks so crazy, all waxed like that. Is this like a farm? Cactus. Okay, I was thinking like there might be a mob spawner. A couple of basic farms inside of the cliff. Always nice to hide those away in the terrain, right? Bit of a path down here. Let's fly around. Check out what else there is. So we got a very interestingly parked Happy Ghast. It almost feels like it's part of the logo. Maybe it's supposed to be facing towards us. You know, when you log in and out, they face a particular direction, and it can be pretty annoying if that's the wrong direction. It's the same from the other side. I see they're putting down loads of mud here as well. Like taking over the terrain and the biome. Oh, I see what we're looking at. So this thing's going to get taller. There's a ravine through the middle of it. I think that's our radio mast right there. Almost looks like it could be a shell of a rocket too. And there might be something here. Oh, there's definitely going to be something here, I imagine. You like the use of crafting table as doormats? Yeah. They do have a doormat vibe. Right, I think that might be the most of it. Lots of space here to build a base inside of. Interesting to see if they're going to do a bunch of musical stuff. That's for sure. Let's use the old spectator mode just to check below. See if we didn't miss some crazy contraptions lying around like this. So, what is this linked to? Oh. So you head down from this area. There's a pretty little basement. Got your humble little furnace set up. You got your honeybees going on. You got a chest monster, because why not? Why wouldn't you have a chest monster? Storage system. Look at that. I wonder what kind of filtering we're using here. This is different. Why is it tiled like that? Is it so that the redstone can be 2 instead of 1? Interesting. What does that mean for the hoppers then? It's just 1 item filtering. Kind of different, I guess. Almost. God, I clicked and I almost could have broken something, you know. Wow. Can you show me how you plan to make my base and Mumbo's base blend together? I would say it's less of a plan and more just something that will happen when the time is right. You know, I will just look at what's there and get some inspiration and create something. That's it. I think we've seen everything there is to see. That was WolfWatchman's base here on the LPMT server.